Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today we're going to unbox this one. This is the AllStar gate and then a garage opener. This is a 3-channel, 3 buttons. So you could program this to any of your garage. If you have 2 garage opener, you can program 2 of them in there. And if you live in a gated community, you can program the third one to open the community gate. So let's go ahead and unbox this. It's in a bubble envelope wrap. So here it is. It's by Linear. That's the barcode number, and it is made in China. Let's go ahead and open this up. So it comes with this metal clip for your visor. So it comes with this linear instruction or installation instruction. So this one could program 8 to 9 digit code. If you have like a dip switch on your traditional O1, you could copy the code and then program on here. So here spaces that you can write your code in here, right here. So there are 3. It could program the positive on button or the 0 button, and then there's a negative button. So total of 3 buttons, and then you could write down your code from your old remote on here, or from your garage opener if you don't have the multi-code. So 8 to 9 digit code here. And here's a programming instruction right here. You can either start from pressing hold down positive, and then after that you're gonna hold down, keep holding the positive while you press down and hold the negative button at the same time in order to go into programming mode. Or you could do it by pressing the negative button first, then the red LED light will glow, and then you're gonna hold the negative and the positive at the same time for 5 seconds, and then that will go into the programming mode. So if the red LED goes out, you got need to start all over again. So it probably be way too long. Second step is to, while the LED light is on, press the button you wish to use. If you have 8 switches, press a positive button. If not, press any button you like to use. So that means if you have a dip switch, you will need to press a positive button in order to program it. And then you will enter the 9-digit code. So from the table, pressing the button that corresponds with the grid above. So it says if you have 8 switches, use the positive button in the ninth position. So after you enter the ninth code, the LED will blink twice to confirm a valid code and remains off. And you're going to repeat the procedure for the remaining buttons. Let's go and then check out the remote. So here is the remote. And it is on 318 megahertz by AllStar linear. So this is where you put your metal clip, or you could put your keychain right here, or key hook. So it's a pretty good size. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.